Ready to dive into crypto but stuck on how to actually get your money onto Binance? Let's walk through depositing funds into your Binance account directly from your bank, step by step, making that first leap into crypto investing a breeze. First, open your Binance app and tap on Wallet at the bottom right of your screen. Then select Fiat at the top. This is where all your traditional currency deposits and withdrawals will happen. Now choose the currency you want to deposit. Make sure this matches the currency of your bank account to avoid any unnecessary conversion fees. Select your preferred currency from the drop-down menu. Next, select bank transfer as your deposit method. Binance supports various bank transfer options depending on your region, but this is generally the easiest. Now, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Double-check this amount before proceeding. Nobody wants a typo messing things up. You'll now see the Binance bank details you need to use for your transfer. Copy the account name, account number, and routing number carefully. These are crucial for ensuring your funds land in the right place. Head over to your banking app or website and add Binance as a new pay. Input the bank details you just copied from Binance. Initiate a bank transfer to Binance using the details you just entered. Some banks may require a small test transfer first. Also, make sure to include any reference code if provided by Binance in the transfer details. This helps them identify your deposit faster. Back in the Binance app, you might see a confirmation screen, or you can check your transaction history. Your deposit will likely show as pending until it's processed by both your bank and Binance. Keep in mind that bank transfers can take a few business days to process, and there might be small fees depending on your bank and region. Check the Binance FAQ or Help Center for more specific information on fees and estimated processing times. Congratulations! You've successfully deposited funds into your Binance account. Now you're all set to start exploring the world of cryptocurrency. Happy investing!